If you've ever tried downloading stock footage, testing an AI video generator, or even using a free editor, you know the pain. That huge, ugly watermark stamped right across your video. But here's the good news. You don't need to pay for premium plans or fancy software. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few amazing free ways to remove watermarks, my personal go-to solution, and at the very end, I'll reveal my secret method when all else fails. And the best part? We're doing all of this right from a phone. A ton of you commented watermark on my last video asking for this. So let's get right into it.
Welcome to S.A.V.V.Y Studio. You'll love it here.
All right, let's start with the simplest and fastest method out there. This is for when you just need that watermark gone in a hurry.
In your browser, search for 123apps.com. This site is a beast. It's packed with free tools for video, audio, and PDFs. For now, find the video tools and tap on Remove Logo from Video. Upload your file. Now, this tool is very straightforward. You just draw a box over the watermark. It's basically just putting a blur over the logo. Once it's covered, hit Apply, and then export it.
And there you go. The logo is technically gone, but you can see that blurry spot it left behind. It works, but it's a quick fix, but we can do so much better. Now, if that blurry spot isn't going to cut it, method 2 is where things get interesting. This one uses AI to try and rebuild the background.
Head over to magiceraser.io. Tap the menu, go to Video Tools, and select Video Watermark Remover. Hit Try It Now, and upload your video. This time, you get a brush. Just paint over the watermark area. And when you're done, tap Remove Now. The AI will analyze the video and try to fill in the gap. Check out that difference. No more obvious blur. The AI did a pretty good job filling in the background. A huge improvement, right? But what if you need even more precision?
Okay, this is where we level up again. This next tool gives you more control, which is the key to getting a truly professional-looking result.
Go to unwatermark.ai. Now, look at these tools. You get a brush, but you also get a rectangle tool for sharp edges. And there's an eraser. This is awesome. Let's use the rectangle for the boxy logo and the brush for the text. Perfect. Hit Remove Now and let it work its magic. When it's done, just tap Download Full Video. Look at how clean that is. For an automated tool, this is a top-tier option.
So you've seen some great free options, but now I want to show you my personal go-to tool, the one I rely on not just for watermark removal, but for a ton of other things.
This is AI Face Swap. The removal quality is excellent, but the reason this is my go-to is because it's a complete creator toolkit. It has dozens of other AI tools built in right in, which saves me from having to jump between 5 different websites. Seriously, explore this one when you have time.
Okay, you've seen the best free tools online, but I saved the most powerful trick for last. This is what you use when the watermarks are stubborn or when the AI just can't get it right. This is the one most people will never know about.
For this, open any video editor. This works best if you're starting from scratch. Import your image, which you're going to turn into video, or video, which you're going to lip sync. Here's the trick. Change the aspect ratio to a 1:1 square. This creates black bars. Then generate your lip sync videos. Now export this new square video. Use it in whatever other app you need to. That app will add its watermark, but it will be in the black bars. When you're all done, bring that final clip back into your editor. Change the aspect ratio back to the original. And now for the final move, just zoom in on your video until it fills the screen. And they're gone. No blur, no weird AI artifacts. A 100% clean video. It's a few extra steps, but this method is absolutely foolproof.
And just like that, it's gone. A perfectly clean video with 0 watermarks. No blur, no weird AI smudges. That little aspect ratio trick is a game changer, and it's foolproof every single time. So, there you have it. From simple cover-ups to powerful AI, and the secret aspect ratio trick that gives you a perfect result every time. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments and drop the word watermark so I know you made it all the way here. If this tutorial helped you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe for more tips to level up your content, and share this with a friend who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.